Well, go on, traders. Yeah, the traders here again. Yeah, it was quite a crazy Friday, man. If you take a look at the charts here for Mullen, you can see what happened on Friday. So I'm going to zoom in on the 5 minutes. So Mullen had started the in the pre-market coming down, and as you can see, Mullen pulled all the way down to 22.51 and pop right back up to the 22.98. So it was some crazy movements on Friday. So my stop loss actually got triggered, as a matter of fact. So I'm gonna have to reset a buy order at the opening of the market. But what this is telling you is that the stock, if it comes down to this level, it's gonna trigger a lot of buys. So that is kind of what happened on Friday. So it came down, popped back up, and it was flat after market, and then it started trending back up in the pre-market this morning. So it's basically back down to the level where it was on Friday, but we're looking at this level between 22.94 and 22.51 as very strong buy zone. So let's see what's going on here on the charts. So as you can see on the charts here, the support that we're looking for Mullen to hold is at 21.21. So this is a very strong support here, but another support is at 20.23, 20, around 24 thereabouts. So it's basically below that support level. So what we would like for Mullen to do is kind of push back up above that support level to hold that new support, or then worst case you may see Mullen coming back all the way down to 21.29. But seems like buyers came in at this level 22.56, and we're hoping that it's going to be the new support for Mullen. But if you take a look at the RSI, look at this, guys. The RSI is by far oversold for a number of days now. The RSI is oversold. The MACD is trending in a bullish direction. So as I said on Friday, what is needed for Mullen to move is for some good news, some good PR. Just give us something. David has been pretty quiet. The CEO, yeah, has been pretty quiet, but um, you know, not sure what will be happening. We have not heard any rumors or anything like that. Um, so they usually say, buy the rumor, sell the news. So any good news now will pop the stock right back up. So let's look at Yahoo Finance and see if there's any sell-off on Friday. So as I mentioned, Mullen had come down around 5%. Pre-market is basically flat, and market cap, I think we're a little bit above 400 million at the start on Friday, but we are holding that 400 million level. In terms of volume, average volume is 209, and volume that came in was half of what's required to actually move the stock. So it came in at 111 million. In terms of the overall market, the TSX was basically flat. The S&P came down 1%. The Dow came down 1%. In terms of the comps, Lucid fell. Neo fell. Yeah, my stop loss also got triggered on Neo. So Neo fell, Rivian fell. So overall the market was pretty bad on Friday. So let's take a look and see what's going on with the options. So the option volume that came in was pretty small, 25,000 came in on Friday. Let's see what's going on for this week. Option volume 28,000, not much. The 10th, 9,000 on the 17th, 17,000. So overall, not much in terms of action, not much in terms of volume, but watching to see what will happen from from this level with the RSI being so oversold and MACD moving up in a bullish area. Watching to see what will happen. So that's kind of what I have for you for today, guys. So until our next time, we keep watching and see what's going on with Mullen. All right, so take care and enjoy the rest of your day.